March 22nd, the VIB Connections chapter of AmSpirit Business Connections will be hosting an open house. If you're looking to have a sales force and not just a one-person army, AmSpirit may be just what you need. So what is this group about? I'm glad you asked. Our chapter is a growing networking group that meets weekly in Berea, Ohio. We're a small but growing group looking to improve our businesses by growing yours. How does this networking model work, and how are we different from any other networking group? Well, for starters, we focus on our members getting referrals, not just giving them. And we don't have a quota. We don't demand you attend 52 meetings a year. Our members want to be here. And we don't have competing businesses within our chapter. Your success is our success. Now, what you can expect is that we create a welcoming environment that breeds productivity. We're driven by the development of all members. So whether you want to grow your client list, have peers to review your business plan, or simply have resources for your clients, our professional group would love to meet you. So join us on March 22nd from 5:30 to 7 p.m. at the Hellwig Whistle Stop, where we'll be hosting our open house. You'll meet our members in an open networking environment. We'll have snacks and refreshments so you don't have to skip dinner. But please RSVP on Meetup or Eventbrite. The links will be in the comments. And let's make 2023 the year you take your business to the next level.